Ito po, may malaking bato nakaharang sa daan.
Oh, sige, i-post ko to.
Oh,
Oh,
sige.
ready, get set,
Push!
start na!
Ito po ay parang scenario nung sinabi ni Jesus kay Pedro, "Upon this rock, thou art Peter." Ito po, upon this rock, I will build my church. Yun. Teka muna. Mahirap. Upon this rock, I will build my church. Even the gates of hell cannot destroy this church. Peter, I will give you the keys of the kingdom. Ito po, parang ganito, ba? No? I give you the keys of the kingdom. Whatever you bind here on earth will be bound in heaven. Whatever you loosen on earth will be loosened in heaven. Yun po. Bato talaga yon. Si Pedro naman ay tinawag na Simon, son of Bar-Jonah. You are Peter. You are Petros. You are Petras. You are Kepas. You are rock. As this. Meaning, ang ginamit ni Jesus is figure of speech. Kaya si Pedro is the rock upon the foundation of the church. Jesus is the rock of our salvation. I hope maintindihan ito ng mga taga-ibang sekta. Salamat po.